Hi viewers, today I would like to tell about class and object. మీకు ఇప్పుడు మీకు క్లాస్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే ఏంటి అని క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, సో నౌ ఐఎమ్ సెలెక్టింగ్ జావా. Here I will create a class, for example your name. Okay, so before this I would like to brief you what is class and what is object. Okay, for example you have a name. Okay, so for example let's consider your name as a class. So by definition, generally wherever you search in the Google, you will be knowing that class is nothing but a blueprint. Okay, blueprint is nothing but original. So if I take your name as a class, okay, so your name itself is a original followed by the first name and second name. Okay, so when we say first name and second name, okay, they are belongs to collection of characters. That's why I have taken string as a data type. Okay, so I am giving Vasu. So each statement will be truncated by semicolon. Now I am giving another surname. Okay, now I am defining a class. Okay, I am defining a class that is your name, which is consist of first name and second name. Okay, let's say for example I will take another example. Now I am providing the employee details. So generally employee means it consists of employee ID, which is of integer type, and here I will take it as employee name. Okay, so along with this I will take double. So wherever you wanted to give the salary in decimal part, then I will be going with double data type. Now here I am giving some like this. Okay, now I have created a class. Okay, so as I said, class is nothing but a blueprint, whereas I have taken two examples here. Okay. One is with employee name and another one is with considering two classes, that is employee and your name are different nouns or different structures. Employee contains employee ID with integer type, employee name with a string type, employee salary with double type. Okay, now coming to your name, it consists of surname as well as first name. So this is a blueprint, so it won't change, right? So I have taken these two examples for you to understand better. I hope you understand what is class. So class is nothing but a blueprint. Okay, so don't confuse between the definitions that you will be seeing. Okay, and for example I will tell one more example. House. whenever I say house, definitely house contains or constitutes with house number, house location. That location contains city, state, country, right? So these are constitutes and gives a full meaning to house where you can locate. Alright, the same way when I say employee, there will be a designate structure with employee ID, employee name, employee salary. When I say your name as a class, it is designates. That means it has some structure, right? Employees also have a structure. So whenever you have this virtual structure, that we call it as a blueprint. So class is nothing but it's a blueprint. Okay. Now I have created two classes, right? Now how to execute these classes into this main method. Into this main method, you have to create an instance. So that we call it as a instantiation. Okay. So how to instantiate a class? You see, you have to give like this employee, you give a object to it and you call like this employee. So this emp we call it as a object. By definition, object is nothing but a instance of a class. Okay, for you to understand clearly, your primary name, you will be having a different names by which your friends or your family will be calling you, but those Chintu, Bintu, whatever your friends or family are calling are nothing but the object. Okay, so hope you understood. So for your name, you might be having so many names, that secondary names, other than primary name, whatever the secondary names that we are having is nothing but object. Hope you understood. Now you see, with this object only, so with this object only, whatever you have mentioned in the class, okay, that can be called. Now you say first name, okay, and surname. So now I want to display this onto the console as an output. System.out.println. So here I will say your first name. In similar way, your surname. Okay, sorry, here I have to mention your name. Okay, and similarly I will be creating object for employee also. So your name I am putting here. Okay, don't get confused. So this is for your name, and this is for employee. Okay, so what are all you have? This is employee ID, right? Employee ID, employee name, employee ID, employee name, employee salary. Okay, now I am executing this. Now you see the results. Okay, so what it is saying, your name is equal to new name, non-static variable. This cannot be referenced from non-static. Okay, now it is referring you to non-static variable. Okay, so there are lot many things that you need to learn. Okay, so here this wherever I am calling your classes, that is under method static. So these non-static classes cannot be called into the static methods. So that's why what you need to do is use this with static. That's it. So the issue will be resolved. Once again I am repeating, non-static classes cannot be called into the static methods. That's why you got that exception. Okay, now you see. One more thing. Okay, system.out.printer. Oh, okay. After executing, you can see the employee details and surname details. So this is related to your name. So the first name Vasu, your surname Chilveru, employee ID, employee name, and employee salary. Just I will give one space so that it will give clearly now. Okay, your first name Vasu, your surname Chilveru, employee ID 12345, employee surname Vasu Chilveru, employee salary 3232, whatever I have given here. Okay, these are the classes and these two are objects. Hope you understood this concept nicely. Bye. సివి హార్ట్ క్రియేషన్స్ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కమెంట్ చేయండి. ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి.